And running kimono here, so we're going to talk about the best curbside deals for the week of December the 12th of 2022. Okay, so what is curbside? You basically order this stuff from your cell phone or your desktop computer. You drive to the store, go to the photo department and say, "Hi, my name is Jane Smith." And then like, "Oh, Mrs. Smith." And they present you your bag of stuff that you've ordered through your cell phone or desktop computer. And see that blue box for pickup? That's what you're pressing. So it's either the pickup, curbside order, whatever you want to call it, but that's how you do it. No deals with register rewards. We're just looking at some cheap stuff in this video. For some extra savings, you might want to use the code WAG10. I'm not sure when this is going to expire. I know there's a lot of you that watch this video later in the week, so I'm not going to factor it into the mathematics for this video just because, it might work on Monday and Tuesday, and then by Wednesday it might not be working, but definitely try and use this code for extra savings. First curbside offer that we're going to look at involves a little bit of sprinkle of Christmas. We're going to grab 3 of these absolutely adorable Hallmark Christmas cards for $3.59. For whatever reason, this specific card, I have so many digital coupons for this specific card. So if you want to step up your game and really tell people how you feel and you want to give them all really nice Christmas cards, they have a bunch for like that $3 mark. So load all your $3 digital coupons. So throwing 3 of them into a cart, it's $10.77. Curbside pickup is free. You have a bit of tax, $9 off. So $3 coupons off right there. So you're paying $2.42 for these beautiful Christmas cards. I personally would throw in $2 of Walgreens cash and pay down the 42 cents and think that this is a very smart deal, especially if you love to gift beautiful cards. Okay, the next offer that we have, curbside deal number 2. We're going to be looking for this very adorable, it's an 8-pack of the Essie nail polish holiday mini kit, 8 vegan polar bold. So it's kind of like a fire and ice sort of like Christmassy colors. Anybody that loves to do their nails would probably be very delighted to get this for Christmas. I know I certainly would love it. Let's pay attention here, guys. This is an only for you coupon if you look at the top left hand corner. So hopefully you have the same as I. It's a $3 off coupon. Okay, so looking at this pack, it's $14. So free curbside pickup. We have $3 off, so it's $11.84. If you might have $10 of Walgreens cash on your store account, use 10 and pay $1.84, and you have a very beautiful stocking stuffer or, a gift for you. I think this is super uber cute. Okay, now we have curbside deal number 3. We're going to be grabbing one of those beautiful Hallmark holiday gift cards and then this little triple pack of these Maybelline mascaras for $7.49. It's usually $9.99, but this week it's $7.49 with 25% savings. There have been a whole slew of Maybelline coupons floating around, whichever one you might have that you can add to this deal. I have this one, which is a $4 off. And again, it's an only for you. I've bought this product before. That's why I got it. But I think there's a similar, just a regular one for most shoppers, like a $4 or a $5 one off. Okay, so we also have to load the $3 Hallmark card. And then looking at the basket, it's $11.08. Curbside pickup is free. We have our tax. Now, I had a $5 off for that Maybelline kit. That came off, plus the $3 for the Hallmark. That's how I'm getting $8 of manufacturers coming off. My new total is $3.74. I would use $3 in Walgreens cash and pay 74 cents and call this a really nice deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is curbside deal number 4. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these massive Fiero Rocher Grand for $5.03 each. So for 2 of them, it's $10.06. Who wouldn't love this in their stocking? So $10.06, curbside pickup is free. We have no tax because this is considered food here in the state of Michigan. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the 6 cents. I think it's a super fun gift, especially if you're gifting it to somebody that loves Fiero Rocher. Still on that Fiero Rocher kick, if this is more your speed, this is 50% off at $5.49 for this, it's like a little Christmas tree. I think this is super uber festive. So this is $10.98 for this cutie. Throwing 2 of these into a basket is $10.98, free curbside pickup. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 98 cents and call this a super deal. Okay, so the final deal that we have is with my absolute and total favorite, the L'Oreal Elvis shampoo, 2 for $9. And then to get the basket right to $10, because we're utilizing a couple IVC coupons, we're gonna buy 2 of the Yardley bar soap for $1.39. I was just looking for the cheapest thing. If you want to throw in some chocolate, go for that as well. But just throwing something in there. For the Elvive, I just hate that name, Elvis. We have a 5 off of 2. So, yes, make sure that you have this one loaded along with this IVC, which is a 2 off of 2. So that's why I had to throw the Yardley in, because it disbalanced the math by $3. So looking at the overall basket for $11.78, IVC coming off, our little bit of tax, and then the 5 off 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive for a total of $5.37 for 2 shampoos and then 2 bars of soap. Alternatively, look for a cheaper Fiero Rocher product and augment that basket. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.